welcome to my channel, Techvidyastudio. Please like and subscribe.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Techvidyastudio. So in today's lesson, we will going to be explore about the Python basics. So let's begin with some topics like print function, comments and variables. What is print function? So basically print function in Python, it is used to display the output on the screen. You can print the messages, variable value or a number using this print function. Okay, let's try the print function in a code way. Alright, so there is a VS Code. Now we will create a Python file. So let me create d1.py. .py is your extension which will be help you to create a Python file. As you can see here the symbols. This symbol demonstrate your Python. Okay, so what is print function? As I already teach you that print function is used to display the messages. For display or for every character you have to be provide the double quotes. So you can write down your message. Next one, print the number. How we can print the number? This is how we use to print your numbers. How to print the variable value? Tell you later. Now the next topic is comments. How you are going to be use comments in your Python and what it is. Comments is going to be used for explaining your code which have a very large code of lines. It will make more readable your particular program, that why that particular block is written over there. They are ignored by the Python interpreter, obviously because it is used for human readable, programmer readable, so it is going to be ignored by the interpreter. It will be not run. Let me show you. And it is going to be not affected your program execution. That means because of this comment, it will not going to be give you the error or it will be print your message or anything, etc. It is of two types, single line comments and the multiple line comments, which we can say doc string as well as. Single line comments can be used using this symbol hashtag, and doc string or multiple line comments can be used using the triple single quotes as well as triple double quotes. Let me see it later. Next is comments. Single line comments is used with the help of this hashtag. This is single line comment. Okay, let me run this and you will see there is no effect. Can you see it shows you this is message, that print function, print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it ignored that single line of comment as you can see. Now the multiple line of comment which you can see doc string as well as. So the first one you can prefer single line, single quotes. This is multiple line comment. Okay, and you can prefer triple double quotes as well as. This is also multiple line comment using double, or you can say doc string. I hope this is clear for you. Okay, let me run this. Okay, can you see both or all the three comments is ignored by your interpreter. The next topic is variables. What is variables? Variable is like a container which is used to hold your values. As a variable is like a box that stores your information. What is box? Box is your variable, and what is inside the box? That is your value. It holds a value that can change when needed, and we can change it later, just like we can make empty our box and store the other information, or like a pencil box, when the pencil is finished we store the new pencil inside the pencil box, exactly the same way. So how we can declare the variable? There's three ways: x is equal to 10, name is equal to Alice, and pi is equal to 3.40. In the upcoming lecture, we will going to learn about the data types, where I will explain you about the number value, character value, and the decimal value. But here, x, name, and pi is your variable names, whereas 10, Alice, and 3.40 is your values. Got it? Inside this, there is some rules when you are going to be name your variables. Okay, what is allowed there or what is not? Can contain the letters, numbers, and underscore while you creating your variable. It must have the letters or the underscore. You can start from that. Okay, case sensitive. Obviously, if you have first letter is capital and the other one is a small, it is going to be a different. If you are creating your variable in a small letters, so please use a small letter for the upcoming course of lines. If you will change it, so it will be give you the error. The error name is name error. Not allowed. What is not allowed? You cannot able to use the numbers in your variable while you create. Mean the starting value. Okay. Otherwise, you can use it in between, in and position, but you can't at the first position. You can't use the special character. The special character is only the underscore which you are able to use. Cannot be Python keyword. You cannot able to use any keyword of your Python which is already predefined, like if, while, print, input, and etc. There are some examples like my variable name age. That's how you can able to create. You can see here in the first one we can simply use letters and underscore. The second one, and one more thing, you cannot have a spaces in your variables. That is also an error. The next one, underscore. It is started from underscore, which is also correct. Third one, age 2. The number is at the end, not in the starting, so that is also correct. Invalid examples. 2. It starts from number, wrong. It have dash, wrong, because you can't have a dash. Class is your pre-defined reserved keyword in your Python. So variables is going to be create a is equal to 10. A is your variable here or 10 is your value. Now as I told you, I will tell you later about how to print variable value. Now I will tell you. You can simply use your print function and write down here a. So that is how you can simply create your variable with a value. Now if I am going to be run this particular file, it will be provide you the value, not any error. But if you are going to be print here any character which is not a variable, see, b is not a variable but it is a character. If I am going to be run, it will be create you the error. The error name is name error, as I told you. So always prefer double quotes. Okay, now see, when I click on the run button, now there is no error. Okay, after this, naming rules. Naming rules. What happen if you are going to be create a wrong way for variables like 1, 2, a, b equal to 10? Can you see it shows you red mark? Red mark means error. If you run it, so it will be say syntax error. What is the syntax error? That you have provided the wrong way to explain your variable. Okay. Can you use underscore while starting? Obviously, yes, you can create. So we remember always the way you are creating your variable, it is also really very important. Let me run it. So it is going to be print the value again or not? Then it is. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you.